Alright, this is Devlog 3 of My R.O.C Basketball. And what I've done so far is I've actually gotten a whole lot of stuff done. I mean, I haven't posted in like a month or two. But because of the fact that I haven't posted, it shows that I've been doing a lot of work. So I worked on let me see, I worked on the UI and I added a little bit more because last time in the last video, I think the last thing I did was show off the actual simulation whenever you're doing a test sim game in this file right here. And I'm going to end up changing a little bit because of the fact that when it comes to the game aspect, you want to be able to change the way the characters are playing or being played by the computer. And so I'm gonna have it to where you can change different game styles or play styles. Let me say that. But so far, I have been able to get basically everything done. So first, I'm just gonna go ahead and show off the what the menu is gonna look like or what it does look like as of right now. But this right here is the home screen. So whenever you first load in, this be the home screen. You got load management, new management, and you got just the My R.O.C on there. And I might end up changing this to a different color or something like that. But as of right now, this is what it's looking like. And I ain't gonna lie, I mess with it. It's tough. I ain't gonna lie, I mess with it. So it was just in a simple, container. And whenever I package it, it's gonna look, 3 times as good. But I am going to go ahead and show you the code for the actual application that I have already gotten a lot of stuff done. So as you can see, all the code right here is the whole UI for the application. So it's all the front end stuff that you're gonna be able to interact with, the grids, the names of the players, the icons, the menus, the just everything that you're gonna see on the front end of the application that you could be able to work with. So um I'm not gonna take too much of the time, but I did do a whole lot compared to what I had in the last video. But this is just go ahead and run it. Okay, so it first loads in like this, like I said in the last one I just showed. But right now, because of the fact that I don't have the load management working as of right now, it's just creating a new management every time. So you're gonna click new management, and in here is creating all the players so you can put into the new database that's going to be being used by the application. So if I showed you the database right now, you would see all these news of Arius Cage and JT Nash. But now we're gonna just go ahead and show off the other thing. So I don't think that I've shown anybody really the application so far. It may be a couple people, but here are the icons. So we have dashboard, sim game, online PvP, the rock, player search, my rock team settings, and log out. So we log out, you can do new management, and as you see, it does new management, Maury Lee, DJ Clark. And I don't have anything as of right now that's working other than my player search, and I'm going to show you that in just a second. But as of right now, everything looks pretty good. Everything looks really good for the dashboard. I will probably end up adding some more stuff on like just tabs because I just had this one and I had a couple more, but I didn't like the way it looked or felt. So I'm gonna add like a little social media about your team or whatever, and I'm gonna have something down here as well. But have a settings tab, a My Rock team. I'm gonna skip player search right now. The Rock, online PvP, and sim game. And the next couple of days, I am going to be working on sim game because I want to be able to show y'all what the sim game is gonna look like. And I actually am going to pause the video right here to be able to show y'all what I have drawn up to be um what I think the sim game should look like, and also what the My Rock team is gonna look like. So I'm gonna pause it real quick. All right, so here's the image of what I had planned for the actual sim game and my team, My Rock team. viewer, I guess you could say. But it's got win losses, win percent, play style. Then you got your player information, and you got a few graphs that can be able to talk about each specific player, and it changes depending on which player you click on. And honestly, I might do that for the team, but I don't know exactly how I'm gonna do it yet, just because I literally just did this yesterday. I haven't really put too much thought into the My R.O.C team. But the sim game is gonna be pretty cool. You see the log, and it's got the actual player simulation, I guess you could say, on the screen, and it's gonna be just a half court on the left side, and it's gonna have squares or circles or something like that. They're just gonna be simulating your players moving and the ball passing and the ball going in the basket. And then I have game speed and I have play style as well. So it's gonna be to where like you can pick or change the play style for your characters or for your players, I guess you say. And got a scoreboard and just some other cool stuff. So this right here is going to be what it probably will look like. But let's just go ahead and show the actual player search, because this is the only one, the only actual tab that I've been able to complete as of the time being. Because really, it took me a little while to learn how to be able to use Flet. But I mean, I got it down packed now, so I could really make anything for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what that player search looks like. And this is the player search where I just added all the players that are already in my database, so you can be able to see. And this is not all of them. This is only 50. I am going to do it to where it's separate pages that you can be able to go on to, because it reduces like the lag and everything. Because I didn't want to have to like have a loading menu, but I might end up doing it, just depending on how well I find a way to be able to solve the problem of it loading. Because you know all these have to be put on the screen. But for the most part, it's really good. So as you seen on the side right here, all this information literally is just getting put into here, so it can be displayed visually by the application, and so other people can be able to see it and use it and be able to be like, okay, yeah, cool, cool. And so yeah, I think this is a great I think this is really cool. It's great progress, let me say that. But I will be updating y'all on the next video of what I finish or what I get into, because I'm currently at a point in time where I'm having free time to be able to do this. So I'm going to update y'all on the rest of the progress next time. But until then, I'm going to be working on sim game. I'm going to be getting the dashboard, probably working a little bit more, adding a couple things on the dashboard, and doing the My R.O.C team. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. I think that's about it. Oh, but I'm gonna see y'all in the next video.